Hi again! Today we are going to try some oil pastels and crayons. I have seen some artists I follow on Instagram doing amazing pieces with oil pastels, and I said to myself, why not try it? I've used oil pastels before when I was in grade school, but that was a long time, so let's see if I can still remember on how to use oil pastels, which I doubt, but that's why we're practicing now. I'm browsing through several pages of this book that I got from Big Bad Wolf months ago, and it has several techniques on how to begin with oil pastels. Okay, let's unbox these crayons, oil crayons, and oil pastels. These three sets I got from Daiso, and I also got the set of pencil and a craft notebook for when I do the swatches. Of course, the main attraction of this video is the Sennelier Oil Pastels. I did my research weeks before I bought this set, and most of them recommended this brand, Sennelier, as the topmost brand to use when you want quality oil pastels. Apparently, this is the same brand that Picasso used, and they came up with oil pastels specifically as a request by Picasso. Ooh, look at all these colors. I'm so happy. The cool tones are my favorite, especially this one. It's so smooth and buttery even if you put it on your skin, and I feel that these are so fragile that I'm scared to use these, but I'm hyping myself up that I need to use this, otherwise it will lose its purpose. But before I use this set, we're going to try the oil crayons first. I also bought the set of, I forgot what these are called, I'm just going to put it on the subtitle. These are the neon and metallic set crayons, and these are the regular crayons. And these are the oil crayons. I also love the colors. They are more pastel in tones, and I also love that they are hexagonal shaped at the tip. And these are the set of pencils. One side is Prussian blue and the other side is vermilion red. Now let's start swatching. We'll start with the regular crayons, then the metallic and neon crayons, and the oil crayons from Daiso, and the Sennelier Oil Pastels. let's try to do some sketches. And I'm using all crayons for now, and then later I'm going to use the Sennelier Oil Pastels. that's it. I really enjoyed trying out different sets of crayons and oil pastels, and I now understand why a set of Sennelier Oil Pastel is very expensive, and I appreciate them for creating an amazing product. The quality is amazing, and although I will not use it for practice as much. I'm going to use the inexpensive Daiso Oil Crayons, but I'm going to try my best to do some small art pieces with Sennelier first before I do more bigger pieces, and I'm more confident in using oil pastels, because as much as I would like to use the set every day, there's this pressure that it's expensive, and I know that it's not I shouldn't be thinking how expensive the art material is. I should just create, but still it's in the back of your mind that this stuff is expensive, so you have to practice first with other inexpensive stuff, and then when you get a bit confident then and you see the progress, then I think that's the time that I will use more of my expensive art materials. But I have to also think that I need to practice with this art materials, because they the consistency and the quality that they produce are different from the less expensive ones. But I'm practicing, and hopefully I get to create art pieces that would make the inventor of these oil pastels proud.